Hello my friends, Brian Pods here for Ask TFT. Forest fires are long and dangerous ordeals and are made worse by the contaminants that are affecting our crews. Installing a TFT CrewProtect can keep the crew safe, but which one do you need? Do you have the room? And is installing this thing going to interrupt your workflow? Today we'll focus on the best practices for installing a CrewProtect in your department's Type 3 firefighting vehicle. We've covered CrewProtect in detail in previous videos that you can find here. So let's start with the specific info on installing a unit. All CrewProtects mount inside your apparatus. They connect to your truck's power and they run automatically once you start your vehicle. Now, the CrewProtect model number correlates with the cubic feet per minute of air it decontaminates. So either 100 CFM or 20 CFM. CrewProtect 100s are most commonly installed in larger firefighting apparatus, while the CrewProtect 20 easily installs in a chief vehicle, tiller cabs, or even a Wildland truck like a Type 3. Multiplying the length, width, and height of your cab will determine its cubic feet, or you can even look at the truck spec, but it'll help you verify which model fits best for your firefighting vehicle. Now, the average cubic feet for the cab of a Type 3 vehicle is about 120 cubic feet, so we recommend a CrewProtect 20 because it's a more compact model. The first step in installing your unit is finding where you want to put it and drilling the holes for your 7 by 6 inch mounting bracket. Once the bracket is in place, install the CrewProtect unit with the screws that are supplied. Next, take the wires on the side of the unit and wire them to the vehicle's breaker box. The CrewProtect is a common 2-wire system, so nothing extra is needed. Now that it's installed, you're done. You turn on the unit by turning on your truck. The only thing you'll need to keep an eye on is the decontamination cartridges. The Decon cartridge lasts for about 6 months for a standard domestic fire department, but for a Wildland team that could be working for hours on end and that Type 3 apparatus is just sitting there taking on extra smoke load, you'll need to consider buying extra Decon cartridge replacements along with your original unit to guarantee the continued performance of your CrewProtect. Now, if worse comes to worse and you can't find a way to make a CrewProtect unit work in your vehicle and you're still interested in protecting your crew using Air Decon, what are the options? Well, number one, you can get a station protect and place it anywhere in the station like a day room, bunk room, or near your bunker gear storage area for air decontamination. Or number two, you can contact us directly and we can work towards finding a wiring solution to fit your specific needs. Thanks for watching today. If you have any questions or want to learn more about CrewProtect, visit us at tft.com/contact.